Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we will explore the topic physical quantity and measurement. This is an important foundation in physics and engineering. Let's go step by step so you can understand clearly. By the end of this topic, you should be able to describe what physical quantities are and give some example with the correct units. You will also understand the difference between base and derived quantities. A physical quantity is something that can be measured. It must have two things, a magnitude, a number, and a unit. For example, 3 meters. 3 is the number and meter is the unit. Physical quantities are divided into two types, base quantities and derived quantities. Base quantities are basic and cannot be broken down further. It is like the brick, the basic building block of a house. Derived quantities are made by combining base quantities. It is like the house that was built up from a collection of bricks. Here how we compare them. Base quantities are fundamental. Derived quantities come from base quantities. They are both used in measurement, but they serve different purposes. These are the 7 base quantities. Each one has its own SI unit and symbol. For example, mass is measured in kilogram, length in meter, time in second, current in ampere, temperature in Kelvin, amount of substance in mole, and luminous intensity in candela. Okay, now we look at derived quantities. They are made from base quantities. From example, speed is derived from distance and time. Its unit is meter per second. And force is measured in Newton. Pressure in Pascal, frequency in Hertz, electric charge in Coulomb, electric potential difference in volts. The SI system is a standard system used around the world. It uses only one unit for each basic quantity. This helps us avoid confusion in measurement. Many SI derived units come from these three base units: meter, kilogram, and second. That's why it's important to understand them well. Standard prefixes. We use prefixes to show very big or very small values. For example, kilo means 1000 and milli means 0.001. These prefixes make it easier to write and read large or small numbers. Tera, 10 power of 12. Giga, 10 power of 9. Mega, 10 power of 6, and so on. Sometimes we need to convert units between different systems, like SI to British units. This table shows the conversion factors. You can use it as a reference when needed. Let's practice with a real example. We want to find the volume of a warehouse in feet. First, convert yards to feet. Then multiply the length, width, and height to get the volume. Always make sure your units are the same before calculating. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. If you don't understand any part, feel free to ask. Let's review again in the next class. Bye-bye.